how to return a book on Audible. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So you can do it within 365 days of your purchase, and also make sure that you can only return the audiobooks which has been bought using the credits. So you won't be able to return the audiobooks which didn't require any credit at all. So what you have to do in order to return it, just open up your Audible app, then go to main menu, and after that go to your account. And in your purchase history, you will be able to find the book that you want to return. Just select the book and click on return this title. After that, you will be able to return it after selecting the reason for return, and this way you would be able to return it. So what you have to do is just basically open up your profile, then click on your account, then click on this option of purchase history, and over here you will be able to find all the books that you have currently in your Audible, and just click on that particular book and then you would be able to return it. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.